Hi there, I'm Mr. Sylvester. I'm the head of chemistry here at Northgate High School. As you guys can't join us in person this year, I wanted to give you a brief overview of the department and what to expect in A-level chemistry.
Now, chemistry is the central science. It's the study of substances, energy, and the interaction between them. Now, lots of material you actually already covered at GC, and we're certainly going to make use of that knowledge, but build on it and extend it further over the next 2 years. As well as your content knowledge, we're also going to build on your practical skills and make use of analytical techniques such as titration and the observation of colour change from this to be able to identify the unknown concentration of a solution. We're going to look at transition metal compounds and how enough energy can cause them to change from this to this. Now, we look forward to welcoming back lots of our current Year 11s, but for those that are new to the school, I want to give you a brief overview of the department and the facilities that are available. We're very lucky to have 4 well-equipped chemistry labs. 3 of them you can see the entrances for here, and nestled right in the middle there is our chemistry team room. In there you'll find chemistry teachers, and you can knock on the door at any point just to ask for any help with the work at hand. Now this image shows the inside of one of those classrooms. They're all very well equipped with all the equipment that you guys need to safely carry out practicals over the course of the next 2 years. As well as the well-equipped classrooms, we're also lucky to have the study bubble upstairs in chemistry, which is an area that you can come to study in between lessons quietly and make use of the facilities such as the computers. It's also stocked with the relevant textbooks that you will need as well. Now this image shows you the course overview. On the left hand side you can see the 6 modules which will be covered over the course of Year 12 and 13. Now these 6 modules are covered over 2 teachers who will teach you throughout your 2-week timetable. Now on the right hand side, as it's a linear course, you can see that you guys will receive 3 exam papers at the end of Year 13 and then a practical endorsement on top of that, which is gained over the course of the 2 years. Now in Year 12 you'll be in classes of up to 17 students. In those lessons you will study these first 4 modules. Now as you can see, lots of it is very much recognisable from the GCSE course because we build on that knowledge from GCSE and develop it further throughout the A-level. As well as the wonderful teaching inside the classroom, there's lots of support outside the classroom as well. Most notably, a chemistry clinic, which we run every Wednesday. This is a drop-in session for you guys to iron out any of the problems that you might come up against during the course. You can go through past paper questions, you can run through things that are coming up in the future as well. At the start of the year, to enable you to have a clear path of the course, we will give you guys your teaching orders and your specifications. We'll also give you access to past papers, mark schemes and screencasts so that you can have lots of practice through the course, both in Year 12 and in Year 13. Those online resources are found here on the school website and our SharePoint. You can see here everything is clearly labelled and it's very readily available from your first day in Year 12. I would like to think about the question, where can an A-level in chemistry take me? Now there's some very clear career paths that A-level in chemistry can take you, such as forensic science, we've got pharmaceuticals, we've got cosmetics or the environment. And I would like you to think about this for yourself. What is it to do with chemistry that might interest you? Or, quite simply, is there anything out there that you had no idea linked directly to it? Now to help you answer this question, there's a few websites that you might choose to explore. The first is very simply ucas.com. Now this is the university search website which enables you guys to find undergraduate courses after A-levels, and in here you can look at subject guides and you can see what relevant subjects or subjects are available to an A-level chemist. Now the next website I'd like you to explore is Futuremorph.org. Now what this website does is take you through a range of careers that relate to chemistry, both from a degree level and from an A-level as well. The final website to explore is the Uni Guide UK. Now on here, as you can see, it allows you to drop in your combination of A-level subjects and to explore the possible university subjects that you could take or the careers you could take in the future as well. Thank you very much for listening, and we look forward to seeing you when you start your studies with us in September.
Hi, we're A-level chemistry students talking about studying A-level chemistry. Lots of Year 11 students ask if chemistry was hard.
Well, I'd say that there are some aspects of the course that are quite challenging, but it's more about the amount of content that's difficult. So as long as you stay on top of it, you'll be fine, and you'll give them plenty of support as well.
Yeah, and listen to your teacher. Yeah.
There's also a chemistry clinic on Wednesdays after school for as long as you need, and if you can bring any past paper questions, and teachers are welcome to help you out with that, or you can just do some work and they're there if you get stuck on anything. For me, working from home is like a really important aspect. Like you're on your own and you're in an environment where you can easily work. But there are some resources online which you can help out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're also given books for both years. That's the one for both of the years, and this is for just year 12. It has loads of like past paper questions in it, loads of revision notes that help you with your own notes. And as well as that, there's also the learning portal online that has past papers and flashcards, stuff like that.
And don't worry, you don't have to bring these into school. They have loads at school as well, so they can stay at home.
And you've also got the online textbooks.
Yeah.
When I was in year 11, I was curious about how much of it was practical content as well, because I feel like that's a big part of science. How much would you say that there is?
Well, we have these things called PAGs, which are kind of like the required practicals in GCSE, and we have to do at least 12 of them and get the skills ticked off from those. But we often do a lot more than that because practical's fun and teachers like it.
Yeah, take chemistry.
Yeah, take chemistry, guys.